I'm going to show you the Arabian Dance or coffee dance from the Nutcracker. So we're going to start off with your right foot behind. I'm going to take one slow step forwards, two quick steps, and you step back into your space in the center of your room. Yeah, so you're starting right foot, you go slow, quick, stepping back, closing fifth. You've got 4 counts to take a slow développé to croisé devant, so it's going to stay in the air. You're going to raise your heels so you can face second, and then carry it around to arabesque, so it's still in the air. And then once you've got there, you're going to bend your supporting leg, and so you're in an arabesque on a fondue. And then we are going to take a pas de brace, so you're using the back foot, the right one, and going right, left, right to the back corner. From there, we're going to take a pas de basque. So you want to use your right foot. You're going to take your body over your arms, swing it through second, passing through, stepping out of it to a palms down arabesque. So in one smooth movement, you're going forwards and stepping. From here, this palm's coming up, this arm's coming over your head, palms up. You're going to bring them into your chest, rotate them round and bring them up to this position on the end, and add a little arch to your back. As you're doing that, you are going to fondue, so you're going to bend the supporting leg, bring the arm over the head, drop deeper into it and come up. And then from there, your arm's going to go fifth, second, demi-second, and you're going to start to turn. So looking over your shoulder, fifth, second, demi-second, to face the corner you first started in. And this time you're going to release your back leg. So you're going to raise it up at the back, bring your arms to a high V. They're going to clasp in a prayer position over your head. As you bring your knee into retire, bring yourself to face front with your palms pushing. And then you're going to release your knee in, and as you open it out, you open your arms. Just watch you don't kick anything. And you're going to come around and end up, you might have to cheat your feet a little bit, a croisé position with your right arm high and your left foot pointed. Swing back over your head, passing through to demi-second. You're going to brush this foot through to an attitude, and you've got the palms of your hands lifted, and you're going to raise your heel and you're just going to pivot all the way around to the other corner, lower the heel, switch arms, so you've now got your left arm high and the right low, and you could either lean into it or lean away, and you're going to turn out of it towards your back foot, so you're spinning around to come back to, let me think, back to the other side, ready to do the whole thing on the other side. So it'll be your développé, passing through second, through arabesque, fondue, pas de bourrée, your pas de basque, sweeping through to arabesque, palms down, fondue, palm up, dropping down and arabesque, hands over your head, start to turn, arms coming fifth and second and demi-second, to face the corner you started at, releasing the right foot to the back, arms coming up to a high V as you come through to a retire and bring yourself to face front, knee comes in parallel, leg sweeps out, cheat it around to croisé devant, right arm over your head, passing it through, brushing the leg through to attitude, pivoting all the way around, lowering as you did before, so switching arms and then turning out of it. So that's the first section of it. Now the second section, you are going to step through with the back foot, which I think is your left foot and left arm. So you're going to step up and then you're going to step up. And then from here, you're going to do the reverse what you did before. So your arm's going to swing in and round. And you're going to turn as you go. Then do it again. So you're stepping up, arms, and as you come around, allow your right arm to come up on the diagonal, so you're on the diagonal line. We're going to take a développé second, but as you do it, release these arms. Try and see if you can look towards the backhand, the left one. So you're holding it there, bringing it into retiré, extending on a fondu to croisé devant, passing it through to an arabesque, so your arms are reaching, so you're reaching someone, and then we're going to take, not much space, you're going to take a bourrée back, and you can turn towards the backhand, and it's going to whip over your head. Lovely. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to take a développé with the leg and the arm, looking away, bringing it in, extend it to the right arm fondu, extending it through to the back, taking a bourrée, and then you want to turn as your arm comes over your head. Last little section is a balancé. You're going to lead with the front foot, your right one. You're going to lean away from your arm and back, and then as you turn, bring your arms here, and you can either take it as a soutenu turn, or if you have got a uneven sort of surface or carpet, just bourrée it around and arc out a bit, and then you go to the left and back, coming around, and then the last little bit you are going to step through for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1, and you're going to release the arms, come around and finish on the end on demi-point. Should we try it with the music? Let's try it. So it starts straight in, so I'll press and we go.